We are getting ingredients for Patatas Bravas.
Hi! Welcome to Zesty Spanish Cooking! I'm Madison Brown.
And I'm Chloe Devine.
And we're gonna make patatas bravas. In English translation, brave potatoes. Today we're gonna make the sauce first. We're gonna start by turning our stove on at medium heat and adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, now next we're going to add onions, add our crushed onions, and our crushed garlic, and we're going to saute them.
Now, I'm going to be over here
She's going to make
putting in, oops, I smell a scooper,
other
1/2 cup of mayonnaise and ketchup. Now, it doesn't have to be totally exact, just kind of put in what you can.
because this is just the sauce.
It's being pretty stubborn right now. Just kind of scoop it in. Want to make sure, get enough. I like using Best Foods real mayonnaise. It's probably best to use real meat. You can use Miracle Whip if you want to, but I prefer using real. I'm not a big fan of mayonnaise anyways, but in this dish it's really delicious.
It's because
And then you add, yay.
okay. Then, as these are sauteing, until they're golden brown.
You want to make sure that you get them precisely golden brown. Now, you just want to stir this up.
So it looks like a pinkish color.
Alright, now we'll focus on Madison real quick. We're sauteing onions. How are they going?
They're going well. We're going to do it.
Now this is the right color you would like for your sauce.
Here the garlic and onions are sauteed.
First, I want to add some salt to this mixture. Some salt, freshly ground would be best. And some pepper. Salt.
Okay, now let's stir it up. And right now I am going to add some spices to my onions and garlic. So I'm going to add 1, 1.5 tablespoons of paprika.
Spanish would be best, but paprika works too.
Just make sure it's not sweet paprika. Then 1/4 teaspoon of thyme.
It already smells delicious.
And 1/4 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce. And that is and you're going to stir it up, and that is how you add some spice to things. Now, I have washed my hands so I can mix in some spice. So what I'm doing is I'm mixing in the pepper
Want some salt?
and the salt salt into our potatoes so they'll be flavorful. But you don't need too much since we have our spicy paprika, garlic, and onion sauce.
It's gonna give it a lot of flavor. This flavor will definitely hold in when you fry it in the frying process.
Now we are gently lowering the potatoes into our 1 cup of olive oil that is boiling right now.
Here, the potatoes are frying. Here, the potatoes are golden brown and
We're
red.
just going to add some of our Brava sauce on here. You may want to add it. It's what you prefer, but you just want to add some of it on. What you prefer, but you just want to add some of it on. Now, this is our finished product. Doesn't it look delicious?
Muy bien!
I'm Chloe Devine.
And I'm Madison Brown, and that was Zesty Spanish Cooking!